Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the most important 12 vitamins to improve vaginal health. First up, we have vitamin A true superhero for maintaining healthy mucous membranes, including the vaginal area. These membranes act as a protective barrier against unwanted invaders, keeping harmful bacteria and viruses at bay. Vitamin A is also essential for cell growth and repair, preventing infections and ensuring smooth functioning of vaginal tissues. Load up on sweet potatoes, carrots, and dark leafy greens. They're all excellent sources of vitamin A. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly boost your overall health, enhancing your body's natural defenses and promoting a well-balanced, vibrant lifestyle. So, make sure to include these nutrient-rich foods in your daily meals. Next, we have vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and supports vaginal health. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, maintaining the integrity and elasticity of your tissues. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are bursting with vitamin C. Strawberries and bell peppers are great additions to your plate as well. Now let's talk about vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, crucial for immune function and hormone regulation. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, maintaining a healthy pH balance in the vagina. It also plays a role in maintaining a healthy vaginal microbiome. Ensure you get enough sunlight and consider foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products. Vitamin E, the antioxidant for elasticity. Vitamin E helps maintain the elasticity of vaginal tissues and reduces symptoms of dryness. Nuts and seeds like almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are fantastic sources. Leafy green vegetables are also packed with nutrients, including vitamin E. Keep your tissues elastic and comfortable with adequate vitamin E levels. Vitamin B6, the hormone balancer. Vitamin B6 supports hormonal balance, alleviating PMS symptoms and regulating menstrual cycles. It also aids in neurotransmitter function, impacting mood and overall well-being. Bananas, poultry, and chickpeas are great sources of vitamin B6. Incorporate these foods into your diet for better hormonal health. Now let's talk about folate, essential for cell division and DNA synthesis. Folate helps manage hormonal levels and reduces the risk of birth defects. Leafy green vegetables, legumes, and fortified cereals are excellent sources. Incorporate these foods into your diet to support vaginal health. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and support vaginal health. They maintain the health of the vaginal lining and balance hormone levels. Include sources like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts in your diet. Omega-3s help soothe and protect the vaginal lining. Probiotics are essential for maintaining a healthy vaginal microbiome. They balance good and bad bacteria, preventing infections. Yogurt with live cultures, kefir, and fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi are great sources. Keep your vaginal ecosystem in harmony with probiotics. Zinc supports immune function and wound healing, maintaining a healthy vaginal environment. It helps repair damaged tissues and regulate menstrual cycles. Include sources like meat, shellfish, and legumes in your diet. Ensure you get enough zinc to support vaginal health. Magnesium regulates muscle and nerve function, easing menstrual cramps and discomfort. It also plays a role in hormonal balance. Nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and dark chocolate are great sources. Enjoy dark chocolate for a magnesium boost and better vaginal health. Incorporating these vitamins and nutrients into your diet supports optimal vaginal health. A balanced diet rich in these nutrients can make a significant difference in your overall well-being and energy levels. Remember, small changes in your daily meals can lead to big health benefits over time. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice tailored to your needs. Take care and see you in the next video.